How to set up a new work PC. In 1 hour, a new machine arrives and you lose a day to configuration. With a plan, an hour is enough. Here's the order that works. First 10 minutes, updates. Start Windows Update immediately and let it run in the background while you do everything else, because it's the longest single wait. Next, accounts. Sign in, set up your PIN and fingerprint, and enable two-factor authentication on your account. Then remove bloatware, sorting installed apps by date, and uninstalling everything from the factory image you don't need. Now install software in bulk. The widget command installs a whole list of applications from the terminal in one go, which takes minutes instead of an hour of clicking through wizards. While that runs, configure Windows, power plan, dark mode, taskbar, notifications off, File Explorer set to show file extensions. Then sign into your cloud storage and let files sync. Finally, set up backups before you need them.